How to top any competitive exam? Have you ever dreamed of being the top achiever in competitive exams? Have you ever thought about what makes some students stand out as toppers in competitive exams? Are you excited to learn the qualities, techniques, and mindset that help students become top performers in competitive exams? If you have answered yes to all the 3 questions, trust me, you should watch this video till the end. Thank me later. Hello ambitious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be taking you to a transformative journey, where we're about to unravel the secrets of the topper's realm. We're diving deep into the world of competitive exams, to uncover what it truly takes to ascend to the coveted position of a topper. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Cracking competitive exams and emerging as a topper is no small feat. The path is paved with challenges, doubts, and intense competition. But, my fellow aspirants, rest assured that being a topper isn't just a far-fetched dream. It's a journey that requires a blend of strategy, dedication, and certain traits that set you apart. Let's kickstart our exploration with the traits that define a topper. It's not just about knowledge, it's about cultivating the right characteristics. Let's explore these traits that empower toppers to excel, both academically and beyond. First trait on our list is discipline, the cornerstone of a topper's journey. Discipline is the compass that guides your study routine and keeps you on track. Imagine a pilot who navigates through turbulence with calm. A topper displays similar resilience in the face of challenges. Create consistent study habits, stay committed, and manage distractions to ensure your efforts are focused and fruitful. The next one is time management. Effective allocation of your study hours can spell the difference between mediocrity and excellence. Think of a chef orchestrating a flawless meal preparation. Timing is everything for the chef. Just like that, a topper carefully allocates study time for each subject. It's about making every minute count and optimizing your study schedule. Optimize your study time, create realistic study schedules, and strike a balance between preparation and relaxation. To master your exam preparation, we have covered an effective game-changing time management strategy in one of our previous videos, Mastering the Pomodoro Technique for Effective Exam Preparation. You can find the link to the video at the top right-hand side of this video. You can also find the link to the video in the descriptions below. Adaptability is our next trait. In the world of competitive exams, being flexible and open to change is key to overcoming unexpected challenges. Consider a professional athlete adjusting their game plan based on the opponent's tactics. Similarly, a topper adapts their study techniques to conquer different subjects. Adapt yourself to diverse study materials, tackle varied question formats, and fine-tune your approach as per exam's evolving demands. The next one is positive mindset. It is a weapon of mass achievement. It empowers you to conquer doubts, setbacks, and self-limiting beliefs. Imagine a mountaineer believing they can conquer the summit. Their mindset fuels their ascent. Similarly, a topper nurtures a positive belief in their abilities. Cultivate a resilient mindset, conquer negative self-talk, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Lastly, we have resilience, the ability to bounce back stronger from setbacks. It's the secret sauce that keeps toppers going, even in the face of adversity. Think of a rubber ball bouncing higher after hitting the ground. Similarly, a topper uses setbacks as stepping stones to their ultimate success. Learn from mistakes, turn failures into stepping stones, and emerge stronger and more determined than ever before. Becoming a topper is an achievable goal for anyone who is willing to cultivate these essential traits. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Now that you are ready to transform yourself into a topper, let's take a look at the vital key that separates toppers from the crowd. It's the art of mastering your strategy. Before we dive into the specifics, let's address a fundamental truth. Success without a well-defined strategy is like sailing without a compass. Strategy is the navigator that steers your efforts towards your destination. To become a true master of strategy, it's important to understand the elements that constitute it. Let's explore these crucial components. The foundation of any successful strategy is setting clear and specific goals. Without a destination, you're just wandering aimlessly. Think of an archer aiming for a bullseye. Without a target, their arrows serve no purpose. Similarly, setting specific goals directs your efforts effectively. Defining your exam goals, break them down into manageable milestones, and align your study plan accordingly. Next, we have prioritization, the art of identifying what truly matters and focusing your energy there. Imagine juggling multiple balls, you focus on the one that needs the most attention. Similarly, prioritization ensures you invest your time where it counts. Decipher the most crucial topics, subjects, and study materials, ensuring you are investing your efforts in areas that yield the highest returns. Lastly, we have evaluation and feedback, the process of assessing your progress and refining your strategy. Imagine an athlete reviewing their performance to enhance their technique. Similarly, continuous evaluation fine-tunes your strategy for optimal results. Analyze your mock test scores, identify areas of improvement, and incorporate feedback to enhance your strategy. Mastering your strategy is the compass that guides you through the complex terrain of exam preparation. Remember, with the right strategy, victory is within your reach. Looks like you're ready to unlock the true potential of your strategy, and pave your path to success. Now, let's embark on a journey to master your mindset, and propel you towards becoming a top-performing exam conqueror. Before we move on to the technique of mastering your mindset, let me know in the comments below. Which competitive exam are you preparing for? And, how is your preparation going on? Pour your heart out. I'm all ears. Before we unveil the techniques of mastering your mindset, let's acknowledge a universal truth. Your mindset shapes your reality. It's the lens through which you perceive challenges and opportunities. To become a true master of mindset, it's essential to understand its components. Let's dive into these transformative elements. The cornerstone of a winning mindset is positive self-belief. Without it, your potential remains untapped. Think of a pilot believing in their skills even amidst turbulence. That self-belief drives their actions. Similarly, fostering positive self-belief empowers you to tackle challenges head-on. Silence the inner critic, replace self-doubt with affirmations, and cultivate unshakable faith in your abilities. Next up, we explore the growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Imagine a gardener nurturing a sapling into a towering tree, that continuous effort breeds growth. Similarly, adopting a growth mindset fuels your journey towards mastery. Embrace challenges, seeking out learning opportunities, and viewing setbacks as stepping stones to success. The next one is positive visualization. It is another powerful tool in a topper's mindset arsenal. It involves mentally rehearsing success. Consider an athlete envisioning their flawless performance before a race. That mental rehearsal impacts their actual performance. Similarly, positive visualization primes your mind for success. Visualize your exam triumph, instill confidence, and pave the way for success. Lastly, we have emotional regulation. It's the ability to manage stress, anxiety, and emotions during your exam journey. Think of a captain steering a ship through rough waters with a steady hand. Emotional regulation ensures smooth sailing. Similarly, managing emotions enhances your focus and performance. Practice mindfulness, control exam-induced stress, and channel your emotions towards productive energy. Mastering your mindset is the key that unlocks your true potential, and fuels your journey towards exam triumph. Rewrite your inner narrative, sculpt a winning mindset, and unleash your exam-conquering power. Together, let's shape a mindset that breeds success. Now, let's unlock the secrets of effective learning, and elevate your journey to becoming a top-performing exam conqueror. Before we embark on this transformative journey, let's recognize the pivotal role that efficient learning plays in shaping your exam destiny. Get ready to equip yourself with the tools to master the art of efficient learning. Let's uncover these game-changing techniques. The first technique is active learning. It is your secret weapon. It's the act of engaging with the study material, rather than passively absorbing it. Imagine learning to ride a bike by actually riding it. The hands-on experience accelerates your learning. Similarly, active learning makes the information stick. Explore methods like summarizing, questioning, and teaching the material to someone else, all of which amplify your understanding and retention. Next, we unravel the power of spaced repetition. It's a technique that leverages the spacing effect for optimal retention. Think of watering a plant at regular intervals. That consistent nurturing ensures healthy growth. Similarly, spaced repetition helps you retain information long-term. Use spaced repetition tools, flashcards, and apps to strategically revisit and reinforce your learning. Now, let's talk about chunking. It's the art of breaking information into manageable chunks for easier processing. Consider learning a phone number. You chunk the digits to remember them better. Similarly, chunking complex topics enhances your memory and understanding. Learn to chunk information, create visual associations, and build mental frameworks for efficient learning. The next is active recall. It is another star player in the world of efficient learning. It involves retrieving information from memory. Think of a treasure hunt. Actively recalling clues from your mind leads you to the treasure. Similarly, active recall strengthens your memory and reinforces learning. Learn techniques of flashcards, self-quizzing, and recall exercises that turbocharge your memory and boost comprehension. Lastly, we have interleaved practice, a technique that mixes different topics or subjects during study sessions. Imagine practicing basketball shots from different angles. That varied practice hones your skills. Similarly, interleaved practice enhances your ability to apply knowledge flexibly. Learn interleaved practice methods, which helps reinforce the links between various ideas and concepts. Remember, efficient learning techniques are the keys that unlock your potential and pave the way to exam mastery. Now that you are excited to revolutionize your study approach, harness the power of efficient learning, and propel yourself to exam success, let's unravel the secrets of turning your aspirations into achievements, and embark on a path to becoming a top-performing exam conqueror. Before we embark on this enlightening voyage, let's understand the delicate interplay between the dreams we envision, and the reality we navigate. Let's embark on this transformational journey, and explore the crucial steps that bridge the chasm between your dreams and your exam triumph. First and foremost, it's essential to have a crystal-clear vision of your dream, your goal for exam success. Imagine an architect envisioning a skyscraper. That clarity guides every blueprint. Similarly, a well-defined exam goal guides your learning journey. Define your dream, set specific exam goals, and channeling your energy towards achieving them. Now, let's bring your dream to the reality check. It's about understanding the current state of your knowledge and skills. Think of a pilot checking instruments before takeoff. That reality check ensures a safe flight. Similarly, assessing your current level helps you chart a strategic path. Assessing your strengths, weaknesses, and study habits enables you to tailor your learning journey for optimal efficiency. This step is all about aligning your dream with your reality. It's where the magic happens. Imagine a sailor adjusting sails to catch the wind. That alignment propels the ship forward. Similarly, aligning your dream with your reality propels you towards success. Create a personalized study plan that bridges the gap between your dream and your current reality, maximizing your chances of success. Remember, transforming your dreams into reality is within your grasp. Keep aligning your dreams with your reality, keep harnessing the power of efficient learning, and keep reaching for the stars. Congratulations! You've just been equipped with the ultimate toolkit for becoming a top-performing exam achiever. Becoming a topper isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's a path that anyone can tread with the right mindset and guidance. As you embark on this transformative path, always remember you have the potential to rise to the top. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. To further enhance your exam preparation journey, visit iLearnHQ.com. Your dreams are within reach, take the first step towards a brighter future and enroll today. See you in the inside.